Rome, the Eternal City. A city that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of legends, and the creation of timeless art and architecture. It is a place where every corner, every stone, and every shadow tells a story of a glorious past. A place where history comes alive, where the echoes of empires past whisper on the wind. The streets of Rome are like an open-air museum, filled with remnants of a civilization that once ruled the known world. From the grandeur of the Roman Forum to the intricate details of ancient ruins, the city is a living testament to its storied past. And at the heart of it all stands the Colosseum, a majestic ruin that speaks to the power and the brutality of ancient Rome. This iconic structure, with its towering arches and imposing presence, has captivated the imagination of people for centuries. It is a place where the past and present collide, where the stories of emperors and gladiators come to life. It's a symbol of a bygone era, a monument to the emperors who ruled with an iron fist, and to the gladiators who fought for their lives on the blood-soaked sand. The Colosseum was not just an arena, it was a stage where the drama of life and death played out before a roaring crowd. It was a place where the might of Rome was displayed in all its glory and brutality. For nearly 2,000 years, the Colosseum has stood as a testament to the ingenuity of Roman engineering and the enduring fascination with their brutal forms of entertainment. The structure itself is a marvel of ancient engineering, with its complex system of vaults and arches that have withstood the test of time. It is a reminder of the incredible skill and innovation of Roman architects and builders. Millions of tourists flock to Rome each year, eager to walk in the footsteps of emperors and gladiators, to marvel at the scale of the arena and imagine the roar of the crowd. They come to experience the grandeur of the Colosseum, to feel the weight of history, and to connect with a past that is both distant and strangely familiar. The Colosseum is more than just a monument, it is a bridge to another time, but beneath the surface, hidden from view, lies a secret. A place that holds the key to understanding the true story of the Colosseum. The underground tunnels and chambers, once bustling with activity, now lie silent and forgotten. These hidden passages were the lifeblood of the Colosseum, where gladiators prepared for battle, where animals were kept before being released into the arena, and where the machinery that powered the spectacles was housed. Exploring these subterranean spaces offers a glimpse into the inner workings of the Colosseum, and reveals the complexity and sophistication of this ancient marvel. Deep beneath the Colosseum, shrouded in darkness and mystery, lies a network of tunnels and chambers known as the Hypogeum. This hidden labyrinth was not just a structural marvel, but also a testament to the ingenuity and complexity of ancient Roman engineering. The Hypogeum was the unseen engine that powered the grand spectacles above, a place where the unseen hands of history worked tirelessly to create the awe-inspiring events that captivated thousands of spectators. This labyrinthine underworld was the beating heart of the Colosseum, a hidden world where gladiators prepared for battle and wild animals were caged before being hoisted onto the arena floor. The tunnels echoed with the sounds of clanking chains, the roars of ferocious beasts, and the murmurs of gladiators steeling themselves for combat. It was a place where the air was thick with tension, and the scent of fear was palpable. It was a place of both fear and anticipation, where the line between life and death was razor thin. Every corner of the Hypogeum held stories of bravery and despair, of triumph and tragedy. The gladiators, often slaves or prisoners of war, faced their fate with a mix of dread and determination, knowing that each step they took could be their last. The Hypogeum was a feat of engineering, a marvel of Roman ingenuity. Its construction required precise planning and execution, showcasing the advanced knowledge and skills of Roman architects and builders. The intricate design allowed for seamless coordination and movement, ensuring that the grand spectacles above went off without a hitch. It was a complex system of tunnels, ramps, and elevators, all designed to move gladiators, animals, and stage props with incredible efficiency. The Hypogeum's mechanisms were operated by a team of skilled workers who understood the importance of timing and precision. These hidden operators played a crucial role in the success of the games, their efforts unseen but vital. It was a subterranean city, complete with its own water supply, drainage system, and even a rudimentary form of air conditioning. The Romans' ability to create such a self-sustaining environment beneath the Colosseum is a testament to their engineering prowess. This underground world was a microcosm of the larger Roman society, reflecting its complexities, innovations, and the relentless drive for perfection. For the gladiators who fought in the Colosseum, the Hypogeum was the last place they would see before entering the arena, a labyrinth of dark, narrow passageways that held the echoes of countless battles. These tunnels were a world unto themselves, a stark contrast to the roaring, sunlit arena above. Here the air was thick with the scent of sweat and fear, mingling with the musty odor of ancient stone. It was a place where they could hear the roar of the crowd and smell the blood of those who had gone before them. The anticipation was palpable, a mix of dread and adrenaline that coursed through their veins. Each step they took brought them closer to the deafening cheers and jeers of the spectators, a reminder of the life-and-death struggle that awaited them. It was a place of intense pressure and anticipation, where every man was for himself, and camaraderie was a rare luxury. The faces of the gladiators were etched with determination and fear, a testament to the harsh reality of their existence. They were warriors, trained to fight and die for the entertainment of others, their lives hanging by a thread with each encounter, and where only the strongest and most cunning survived. The arena was a brutal proving ground, a place where skill and strategy were as important as strength. Every fight was a test of endurance and willpower, a battle not just against an opponent, but against the ever-present specter of death. We can imagine the gladiators preparing for battle in the dimly lit tunnels, their hearts pounding in their chests. The flickering torchlight cast eerie shadows on the walls, creating an atmosphere of foreboding. They would check their weapons, adjust their armor, and mentally prepare for the fight ahead. The clang of metal against metal echoing through the corridors. The sound was a constant reminder of the violence that awaited them, a prelude to the deadly dance they would soon perform. Each clash of swords was a rehearsal for the final act, a symphony of steel that would determine their fate. We can picture them whispering prayers to their gods, seeking divine favor in a world where luck often meant the difference between life and death. These moments of quiet reflection were a stark contrast to the chaos of the arena, a brief respite before the storm. Steeling their nerves for the fight to come, they would take deep breaths, trying to calm their racing hearts and focus their minds. The mental preparation was as crucial as the physical, for a clear head could mean the difference between victory and defeat. Life as a gladiator was brutal, short, and filled with constant danger. They lived each day knowing it could be their last, their fates decided by the whims of the crowd and the emperor. Despite the harshness of their lives, they fought with a fierce determination, driven by the hope of freedom and glory, and often ended in the blink of an eye. The arena was a place of swift and merciless judgment, where a single mistake could lead to death. Yet, in those fleeting moments of combat, the gladiators lived more intensely than most could ever imagine, their lives a testament to the human spirit's resilience and will to survive. Though much of the Hypogeum lies in ruins today, it is still possible to feel the weight of history in its dimly lit corridors. The stone walls seem to whisper tales of the gladiators who trained and fought beneath the Colosseum. We can almost hear the roar of the crowd, the clash of steel, the cries of the wounded. The Hypogeum is a time capsule, a tangible link to a bygone era. It is a place where the past feels remarkably present, where we can connect with the lives of those who lived and died in the Roman Empire. The Colosseum wasn't just a place of gladiatorial combat. Wild animal hunts known as venationes were also a popular form of entertainment. Lions, tigers, bears, and even elephants were shipped from the far reaches of the empire to be slaughtered in front of the baying crowds. The Hypogeum played a crucial role in these spectacles, housing the animals in cages before they were hoisted into the arena. Imagine the terror of these creatures, trapped in the darkness, the sounds and smells of the Colosseum washing over them. The Hypogeum was a place of primal fear, where the animalistic instincts of both man and beast were on full display. In recent years, archaeologists have made remarkable discoveries in the Colosseum's Hypogeum. Excavations have unearthed new sections of the tunnel system, revealing more about the inner workings of the Colosseum and the lives of those who lived and worked beneath its floor. Among the most intriguing finds are the graffiti left behind by gladiators and workers, offering a glimpse into their thoughts and feelings. These scratched messages, often humorous or poignant, provide a human connection to the individuals who inhabited this brutal world. The discovery of these inscriptions has shed new light on the lives of the ordinary people who worked in the Colosseum, from the gladiators to the stagehands to the animal handlers. Today, access to the hypogeum is strictly limited. The fragile nature of the ruins, combined with safety concerns, means that only a select few are able to venture into this hidden world. Preservation efforts are ongoing to protect this remarkable site for future generations, ensuring that the stories of the Colosseum continue to be told. The decision to limit access to the hypogeum is a difficult one, but it is ultimately necessary to ensure the preservation of this incredible site. The Colosseum is a place of stark contrasts. It is a symbol of both the heights of Roman achievement and the depths of its cruelty. It is a place where the echoes of laughter and cheers mingle with the screams of the dying. It is a place that both horrifies and fascinates us, a reminder of the duality of human nature. The Colosseum stands as a reminder of the power of the human spirit, both for good and for evil. It is a place where we can contemplate the past and learn from the mistakes of those who came before us. As we stand in the heart of the Colosseum, beneath the vast expanse of the open sky, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The Colosseum is more than just a ruin. It is a living, breathing monument to the past. It is a place where history comes alive, where we can connect with the lives of those who lived and died in ancient Rome. And deep beneath the surface, in the heart of the hypogeum, the secrets of the Colosseum continue to whisper, waiting to be uncovered.